Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh. And in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we'll be unboxing the PhoneSpa phone and accessory sanitizer portable UVC wand. So I got this from Walmart on clearance for $1.50, $1.50 from Walmart. Today we will be checking this product out, but before we do, let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So here it is. Here is the PhoneSpa phone and accessory sanitizer portable UVC wand. Here's what the wand looks like. This is ideal for sanitizing mobile devices. Here, this can kill 99% of germs, and this has a built-in safe technology, so you don't blind yourself if you accidentally look at it. Here we have UVC lights. This is USB rechargeable, and this can start sanitizing in under 20 seconds. So, like I said, this is ideal for sanitizing things like your phone or other things such as your interior of your car. Here's the side of the box, and here's the other side of the box, which has the same information. And now, with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look on the back side of the box. So the back side of the box talks about the PhoneSpa sanitizer, portable UVC wand. This kills effectively 99.9% of common pathogenic bacteria and other airborne microorganisms. So this can kill viruses, pneumonia, Streptococcus. Don't know how to pronounce that, but this can also kill E. coli. So this is a portable, foldable design that you can take anywhere. UVC light kills 99.9% of germs fast. This has an engineered safety feature that protects skins and your eyes. And this is a USB powered device. So this can sanitize surfaces in as fast as 20 seconds. So there are several examples, such as you're sanitizing your car interiors or other stuff that you see here. And this comes with a self-standing base. And here is the warning label here. Do not use to sanitize hands or that will cause skin cancer. And with that being said, let's go ahead and unbox the PhoneSpa sanitizer portable UVC wand. So I have my X-Acto knife ready to go. Let's remove the cap and take off the seals. I really need to replace the blade here, but it is what it is. And now let's go ahead and unbox the PhoneSpa phone sanitizer. All we have to do is pull this tab apart. And once we do, here is the product itself. So pretty basic product presentation here. And here's what we are going to get here. Here right away we have our UVC wand. We'll take a look at that later. And here we have several documents. And this appears to be a test report. So you can always pause the video if you're interested in reading the test report. I'm pretty sure it talks about killing 99.9% of germs. And here we have another test report. And Here at the bottom, here you can see quality assurance seal right there. And here we have our PhoneSpa Sanitizer Portable UVC wand. This is the user guide. And here it is. Here it talks about the introduction and features, what the package contains. Here it talks about product overview and functions. And next is product overview and functions continued. So it basically talks about where things are. And here's the back side. It talks about setting up and using the sanitizer wand. Here it talks about how to charge the wand. And here it talks about specifications. You see right there. And here it talks about the safeguards. And yeah, so that's all the reading materials that comes with this product. Now let's take a look at the PhoneSpa UVC wand. Here's the product itself. And it comes with a USB Type A to USB micro USB cable, so you can charge the device up. Here is where we're going to charge this up. It comes with buttons to turn this on, and here's what it looks like with the lamp being off. And to be honest, the quality feels a bit cheap, but not so cheap. And here's a warning label to keep out of reach of children. Don't use this to sanitize your hand, or you could cause skin cancer. And here you can see this, you can use this as a stand. And let's see if this powers this on. This is the only button that you can power it on. It looks like I'm going to have to charge this device. So I have already charged this device, and now let's go ahead and take our mobile phone. We're going to use the Samsung Galaxy A12 to sanitize using this wand. So here you can see the LED indicator in the power button, and those are the two things that turns this on, that are important in turning this on. All you have to do is hold the power button. If you push it, it won't turn on, but if you hold it for more than 1 second, it should power on. So here is the UVC light, and here you can see the safety feature being kicked in so you don't blind yourself. And now let's go ahead and sanitize our phone here. And you can also sanitize surfaces such as your steering wheel or keyboard or other things that you can think of. And according to the instruction, it takes at least 20 seconds to sanitize the surface of what you want to sanitize, but they recommend 30 seconds. And yeah, so this is an ideal way to sanitize things using the UVC light. And don't quote me on this, but I really hope this gadget that I have here actually sanitizes and it's not just a gimmick. So yeah, so there's the safety feature being kicked in, and here you can use this as a stand, so you can put things there for more than 20 seconds and sanitize things. And yeah, so there you have it. So that's about it for this video. If you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below when you think about this gadget. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my other YouTube content that is on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trinh. I'll definitely see you on the next one.